That's a tough one. Shall I go first?
Rock and roll.
So our Aladdin clients they're investors, but they're not just investors. They are technologists. Maybe 10 or 15 years ago, it was enough to offer applications, to offer reports. But now, increasingly, our clients need to be able to integrate and customize the tools that they are using to get direct access to data, to be able to access an entire integrated ecosystem of partners, of vendors.
Yeah, the products change all the time. I mean, we get lots of feedback from customers about what works for them and what doesn't. Sometimes it's a gap that we need to fill to enable them to adopt a certain product, and other times they've adopted the product and they're using the product and they see opportunity to unlock more business value.
Migration to the cloud is only the latest in a very long history of Aladdin demonstrating its ability to completely reinvent itself. Aladdin was created, 30 years ago, and in that time we've demonstrated repeatedly our ability to kind of completely re-underwrite the stack of technology and capabilities underpinning Aladdin. I think our ability to do that without disrupting customers is kind of our superpower.
I think also BlackRock understands what it means to develop technology. So when we have a conversation about some future capability, many times we're really on the same page about how to think about it. I mean, we don't always agree about everything, but I think the philosophy of product development and service operations, we're very aligned there.
The fact that we chose Microsoft as a partner and Aladdin is now hosted in this cloud where there's this deep partnership with OpenAI, where you have the Azure machine learning capabilities and the Azure OpenAI integration. We are co-located with these things that we can use to kind of build the next generation of capabilities into Aladdin based on AI. I think what we're saying is the platform is a big part of the solution. Part of our value proposition to our clients is the fact we have all these capabilities, but also we have this foundation that makes us well equipped to respond to a ever-changing landscape.
When those product capabilities that we build make it into our customers' solutions, and it adds value to the customer solutions, we're really delighted. Like, that's exactly the outcome that we hope for.
Initial step of moving Aladdin into Azure was always meant to be the springboard to what comes next, which is essentially a perpetual cloud journey.
I also think it's very important to be skeptical of perfection. With a migration like this, it's important for both sides to really test, are we opening the books and sharing all of the things that are perhaps not perfect? Because that's a good way of validating that the right conversation has happened.
A lot of the new AI development taking place now is a close engineering partnership between the BlackRock and the Microsoft teams. So I think that's one of the ways the partnership has evolved, is just that level of trust just continues to grow, and it really is one team.
I haven't done that yet. It's a good idea.